What's going on, guys? Lynn here with another DIY kit for you from Tokyo Treat, and this is from September 2018. Sadly, I lost October and November's videos. I accidentally deleted them, so I am unable to bring you those videos, unfortunately. So we're going to do September, and yeah, I'm so angry that the footage got deleted again. That was my fault, but oh well. It's not like a lot of people gonna be watching this anyway. But to those of you who are, thank you. I greatly appreciate it. So one of the kits, none of these cones got damaged, but one of the kits, the cone actually got damaged. A couple of the cones got damaged, and it was, I want to say, November's kit, where they say you have to put this in the container. Oh, look at that. It's kind of pink. And then you add like 2 tablespoons of water. Oh no, this says 2 teaspoons of water. Alright, so since I don't have teaspoons, we're going to use the little bitty spoon that they gave us in the kit. Oh no, we're going to use a bigger spoon than that, which still it's not popping out a lot. It smells like strawberry shortcake. So when I did this for the last one, I did about 12 scoops. And it was, I'm so mad that I don't have that footage, because that one was gross. It was nasty. So we'll see how this one tastes. It smells like, it smells like those strawberry, what do you call them things? Them little things with the little, stuff in the middle. It smells good. Alright, y'all, here we go. I'm nervous, because the last one I tried was really gross. Well, it's got a small little peak there. Okay. So again, this is called strawberry soft serve ice cream. So let's try it out. I don't like the cones, y'all. As in the other video, the cones taste stale. And it's kind of weird contrast and flavor, because these almost taste like bubbly, I guess, if that makes sense. So it's weird. So let me try this by itself. And to me, it looks like suds. Like if you about to wash dishes or you about to take a bath. Yeah, it looks like suds. So let's try it. That's weird. It's like it has a foamy flavor, but then it also has a it also has like gritty bits and kind of like a fizzy flavor. So I don't know. Me personally, I don't like these type. This is my second one. That's not my favorite. I don't think I would recommend this one, but I mean, to each his own. You know, a lot of people like this texture and this consistency. But again, it's called strawberry soft serve ice cream. Not my cup of tea. So that'll be it for this video, guys. If you're not currently subscribed to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos coming here in the near future. This is Lynn, aka GGT, Gaming Gadgets and Technology. So next time, guys, take care, and we'll see you all later. Peace.